Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by, checking out the official Team My Project 13 unboxing of the Google Pixel 6a. FedEx just came by about 30 minutes ago and dropped off this big brown box. Then I had to take care of a few things. Finally made it into my garage here in my little YouTube studio, and we're going to unbox a device that already has some political controversy over its existence, but I'm not going to get into all those politics. You know what I'm going to do? I'm just going to unbox it, share that with you, start the reviewing process. Bam! Hopefully the light isn't causing a lot of glare. There you go. Meet Pixel 6a. Yeah, man, I'm not going to get into all that. I'm just going to start doing what I do and share it with all of you. And you know, for those of you that haven't pre-ordered, and if you're watching this video after the fact, then that's already said and done with, and you already have or don't have the Google Pixel 6a. But as of right now, the making of this video, for those of you that haven't pre-ordered, my suggestion to all of you is don't go with what's being said out there. Go with what's in your gut. If you want it, get it. If you don't like it, return it. Okay, use the money for something else. All of the stuff that's being said it doesn't matter, man. You have to have the hands-on with any smartphone that you spend your money on to see if it's going to work for you or not. With that being said, let's go ahead and get into this box. Hey Google, help me make my review video. We have a card here. I'm going to skip down to here. Thanks for being a part of the global launch of Pixel 6a, hashtag Team Pixel. Enjoy your friends at Google. There's all the information there if you want to check that out. We're going to put that aside, and we're going to take out the charcoal Google Pixel 6a. All right, here's the box. Very small. 3 colors that you can get: charcoal, which is what I got, sage, and chalk. And you got your little pull tabs right here. Bam. Bam. Just like that. That is beautiful. That is beautiful. Okay, put that down right there. In the box, we have our USB Type-C to C cable, our data transfer adapter, Pixel 6a Google Tensor, and we have our SIM key there. And that is it. Put that right there. And we have a flat display. Gonna turn that on. See if we have any juice. Bam. So the first thing that I'm noticing is that we have a flat display, which is going to be easy to protect with a glass screen protector. Up top at the left-hand corner, we have a little cutout right there for a mic. The other mic right here, USB Type-C charging port, and you got a speaker grill there. And on the left-hand side, there's your SIM tray right there. And on the other side, you have your power button and your volume rocker there. And as far as the speaker up top, that's going to double up with the earpiece. I'm going to have to get in really close here. Now, if you look really close right in there, you can see the combo earpiece and speaker. Whew, wow, that's really hidden in there. Got a front-facing camera there. That's an 8 megapixel shooter, shooting video, 1080p, 30 frames per second. The rear cameras, you got 2 of them there, along with a flash over to the far right, 12.2 regular wide shooter, and a 12 megapixel ultra wide shooter. K video, 30 and 60 frames per second. I'm doing a 1080p 60 frame per second video test on my new Google Pixel 6a. Does it look pretty clear?
I can't tell with my glasses.
You can't tell with your glasses on?
No.
Because you got your
It's too dark.
your shades on.
At least I don't wear them all the time like Sean does.
Yeah, that's true.
She'll wear hers all the time.
It's a beautiful day for a video test. Yeah, look at all the traffic coming this way. What's this guy doing?
Is he waiting to cross? Yeah.
Which means it's gonna give me.
Remember last month, I went to McDonald's
Yeah.
and I went with him. I got 2 Big Macs and his was like a lot. It was like 12 for both together.
Yeah.
The next day I got a free coupon for a Big Mac. And I did not tell him. Yeah, but I was just like, oh my gosh, when I needed a coupon like it, I didn't have it, and then the next day I get one.
That's crazy.
He would have been so mad too.
Yeah, I'm gonna get this set up really quick so we can test out the fingerprint reader, and then I may throw in a case review at the same time, so I'll be right back. I'm not completely set up, but I'm set up far enough to where I can test out the fingerprint reader. Nice. Nice. Double tap. All right, no issues there. Is it the fastest? No, but it's pretty darn fast, man. No issues there. All right, I do have a case from UAG. Approved, drop tested, dependable protection Scout series for the Google Pixel 6a, Urban Armor gear, soft impact resistant core, oversized tactile buttons, feather-light construction. All right. Huge shout out, UAG, giving me the protection I need for my new Google Pixel 6a. Corner protection, huge cutout for the camera area. Power button, volume rocker, minus, plus symbol there. On the other side, we got nothing going on there. Cutout for a mic right there at the top, and cutouts for the speaker, USB Type-C charging port area, and your other mic. And you have a couple little cutouts here for a lanyard if you want to sport a lanyard that UAG has over at their website that you can purchase, and on the other side as well. So let's go ahead, check out that honeycomb cushioning on the inside to protect the back of your Google Pixel 6a. Bam. Power button. Nice and responsive. Fingerprint reader. Nice and responsive. Volume rocker up and down. We have no wireless charging, so we're not going to test that out. As far as the lip surrounding the flat AMOLED display, You got plenty of lip all the way around. So you're going to be good on a flat surface. Surface is a little bit rough. Anything rougher than that, please use your discretion. And on the rear, look at that depth. All that lip surrounding those cameras and flash. Sitting down on a flat surface, you're going to be fine. There's going to be a little bit of a lift right in here because of the bump, but not a lot, not a lot. It stays in place, so that's what's important, because everything is symmetric back here. Loving it. Loving that. Yeah, that is nice. UAG brand name right there. Flat right in the center. Symmetric design there with the camera area, and that's why it stays nice and flat. Any questions on the Google Pixel 6a, please ask down below in the comment section. And with that, thanks everyone for coming on by and checking out the unboxing of the 6a. Huge shout out, hashtag Team Pixel. More to come. Stay tuned. I am out.